Hello guys, my name is Engineer Yvonne. I'm a licensed civil and structural engineer, and someone asked me why we need to have a structural engineer on site when we can rely on foremen or architects and things like that. So the answer to that is very simple, and the answer is basically specialization. You find that when it comes to things engineering, a structural engineer will be able to understand what they're talking about better than a foreman will. That is, I can make a very good engineer on site, but I can't make a good foreman. The same case as a foreman will not do the work for an engineer very well. And this applies when it comes sometimes to making small changes on the drawing, which you think that might not have an impact on the overall strength of the structure. A small thing like changing the orientation of a column, let's say if it's a rectangular column, not a square one. So when you make the change on the direction in which the column is facing, one might think that it will not have an impact. But in real sense, there are things we call moments. And when you change that orientation, you find that you are affecting the moments, which might require you to increase the reinforcement of the base. But another person will just come and change it and go. So to finish on this, the thing is, let everyone focus and make themselves better in their area of specialization. And if sometimes you find that you find yourself in a field that is not yours, for example, I find myself having to work as a foreman, no, not a foreman, as an architect. I'll do the work, yes, but I'll consult a real architect so that they can tell me if I've made any mistakes. So if you find yourself in a field where it's not yours, it's good to partner with someone else who is good in that, so that you will not be able to make mistakes, which might seem small, but in real sense, they have a huge impact to the structure that you're working on. That is all from me.